My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below. And it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so as we are coming to an end of November, this month went by very fast. Got something in the mail that I mean, I guess you can call it early release because the actual release for this shoe is not until next month, December, I think the 9th, if I'm not mistaken. It might be like 10th, I think it's the 9th. So I guess we can call this an early sticker release. This is all on YouTube already, so it's not that special because I got this in the shock drop like a lot of other people did. So I just wanted to do this anyway. So got it today in the mail. Box already open because our box was beat the hell. As you can see right, look at that. My box was just beat up. It's like that. So I wanted to make sure it was actually what it's supposed to be. It was. Alright, so here we go. And right off back, I like this box. So we got this all black box with the gold Jumpman in the center. And this is one of those. Let's see. I didn't even try to open this. I just saw that it was what it was. Let's see what type of lid. Okay. It's just a fold over lid or whatever like that. But it looks like the pull-out lid a little bit, especially with this gold loop right there on the front. There. And all black on the side. Like I just like the box. I like the box. Got the 23 in gold right there on that side. Alright. And the description reads Air Jordan 11 Retro White Metallic Gold Black. Suggested retail price I think was $230 if I'm not mistaken. I'll tell you when I get to the information part, but I think it's like $230. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. I really wish I would have went to a size 9 because 11s fit kind of snug on me. My normal size is 8.5. So I will tell people if you whatever size you are, it's okay to go half a size up. I should have went 9. I mean, I can do it 8.5. Of course, it's my size, but for that ultimate comfortability, for me, I should have went size 9 or the size 9. But I just really wanted to win the raffle for the shock drop. All right, so let's open this lid. Oof. Okay. And I always forget what it says in the gold letter. Does it say 23 or it says something like that? Can't remember that. We got the, as soon as you open it, got the gold lettering right there. And we have this paper, the tissue paper with a whole bunch of different words. Oh, thank you. And a lot of different languages. I like this. It says thank you all on the paper in a whole bunch of different languages. I think that's dope. Do that say thank you? I forgot. I forgot what this is. Anyway, without further ado, ooh, these are nice. Oh. I think these are nice. I think these might be it. That tumble leather, I can tell from the top, is already wonderful. Alright, put that right there. Without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Oh, my bad. I with that one piece sticking up. Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. like I said, we got the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Right off the back, this leather is wonderful. I mean, I like that tumble white leather going around it. I like that. I like that. I like that. So, oh, I should have already had this set. I apologize. But I'm definitely gonna give y'all some information like I always do. Hold on, let me just not gonna take nothing. So here's some little. That's Yoda, just tiptoeing all around here. Let me see, Air Jordan. Come on. 11 Gratitude. Okay. This is gonna be some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. Pull it up. 3, 2, 1. It should be right there, right next to me, up on screen if you want to read along with me. It says November the 14th, 2023, which was last week. A shock drop release is scheduled on November 14th, 2023 at 2:23 p.m. Eastern on Nike's Sneakers app, which I did win, so I got my pair. On November 13th, 2023, the Sneaker app teased a possible exclusive access or shock drop release on November 14th on 2023. An early release seems like a Nike continues to release product ahead of wide release dates. They have been doing a lot of sneaker releases. I mean, shock drops lately. I like that. The next shock drop that's scheduled is the Kobe Protros, the reverse Grinches. I'm definitely going for like 3 pairs of those. I need that. I need that. Boom, boom, boom. Where we at? Whole bunch of pictures. Okay. Original story, October the 10th, 2023. What would the holidays be without an Air Jordan 11 release? This year, Nike will treat fans to the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude Retro, a special edition of Michael Jordan's Concord pair from 1995. As you wait for a release, here's everything you need to know about the 11s coming out December 23rd. A history lesson. Team Jumpman has treated fans to Jordan's patent leather covered sneaker every holiday season for over a decade. The Air Jordan 11 Concord first released on November 10th, 1995, was originally previewed by his airness months earlier. Jordan returned to the Chicago Bulls in March of that year after 8-month hiatus from the NBA. The story goes that Tinker Hatfield showed the 32-year-old a sample version of his latest Air Jordan design ahead of the 1994-1995 NBA playoffs. What did it say? In Morgan? I don't know. I think it just means like he was happy about it. But the sneaker, the Bulls now, number 45, chose to lace up the pair to face the Orlando Magic against Hatfield's caution that the pair was not quite ready yet. The sneaker only saw 2 games as the color scheme, white, black, dark Concord, did not abide by the league's regulation. The world would see the shoe again during the 1995-1996 season on Jordan's way to his 4th NBA title. So when he came back from, I think they said his first retirement. It just say 18-month hiatus. I don't know if this is his first time. You know, Jordan retired damn near twice or whatever like that. But yeah, his first one though. When he came back wearing number 45, Tinker Hatfield, the creator of Jordan, he bought him this. So, but the shoe got banned in like 2 games because of the color scheme or something like that. So they didn't. You don't see it again until the next season. That's what you're talking about. Retail versions of the sneaker feature 23 on the heel, unlike the pair MJ's first wore, priced at $125. Wow, that's back in the day when Jordans was $125. People. The Air Jordan 11 was the line's article offering at the time of its launch. The championship winning sneaker returned on October 25th, 2000, allowing fans to enjoy the storied pair during MJ's second retirement from the NBA. A second retail version dropped 6 years later as part of the Defining Moment pack. And that is basically what this shoe is based on, the Defining Moment pack. DMP, Defining Moment pack. DMP versus Gratitude, what's the difference? 2 pair box sets are no longer common practice for the brand Jordans. That's back when they used to come out with 2 pairs of short shoes in the box. It was a box with 2 pairs. They don't do that no more. But there were in the on January 28th, 2006, Nike dropped the Defining Moment pack, often simplified to the DMP, to commemorate the 2 shoes Michael Jordan wore at the start of each of his 3-peats, the Air Jordan 6 and the Air Jordan 11s. The shoe had previous re-rolled in their original states, but the special pack, brought metallic gold finishes to both sneakers, detailing inspired by the Larry O'Brien trophy. The set was priced at $296. That's crazy because you can get 2 pairs of shoes at $296, and now 1 shoe is like $250. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, I'm not gonna read all this. This is a lot. I'm just gonna let y'all look at this. Y'all can look at it on the screen. This is just a lot. I don't want to read all of it, but boom, boom, boom. That's more information. Y'all can just always just pause the screen. This is a lot of information. I mean, usually I give y'all a little bit, but this is a lot. Y'all can pause. Y'all can pause. Here go the size and fitting. It's true size. I still think you should go half size up. The retail price was $230. Yeah, I said $230, so I was right about that. And it drops December 9th. I was right about that too. So, all right, that's pretty much it. Any other? Oh, here goes some more stuff. We're gonna get to the Neapolitans in a second. All right, and that's it. Anything else, y'all can press pause. So y'all can read that. It was just so much information. I didn't feel like reading all that. I don't want to fill this whole video with just talking about without action. Anyway, all right. So these are based on the DMP Air Jordan 11s. They're a little bit twisted. Without the clear bottoms, we got that milky sole bottom right here. It was some other differences too that was in that article that I did not read, but still got that patent leather black finish right there going around it. I love that. This tumbled leather looks wonderful to me. Just my opinion. I like the way it looks. It's very tumbled, as you can see. I like that. I like that. Got the white rope laces. Got the gold 23 on the back on the heel, which is dope. Tumbled leather tongue. White midsole. Got that carbon fiber right here. Got Simba in the Simba right there in the shot. Simba, move. If it's not my dogs, it's my cats. But it got animals all over this place. Got the two black pods on the bottom of the shoe right there. Boom, boom, right there. Gold Jumpman right there. So like I said, they said this is the second 11 to not only shock drop, but the shock drop in the month of November. These shock dropped also earlier this month, or did these drop at the end of October? I can't remember when these shock dropped, but if it wasn't early November, it was late October. I can't remember. But the Neapolitans, these dropped a little bit earlier, a couple weeks ago. I did a review on this. It would be right above me, right there, or right there, whatever like that. So y'all go check out the review for this one, full review for this. I'm actually gonna wear this for Thanksgiving. And speaking of Thanksgiving, I was happy that I got these in time because Thanksgiving is what, 2 days away?
25th, I think.
Well, I know when it is, but it's like a couple days away. It's like I think like 2 days. What's today? Tuesday? No, today's Monday. Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, but yeah, 2 days. So it's 2 days. So I was hoping that, and we're not gonna be here. We're gonna be out of town until Sunday. So I'm happy that I was able to get this and review this before we left. So I didn't want this shoe, just the box just sitting outside of my door for 3 days. I can't stand when it happens. So I mean, I never had a package stolen from my house, but you just don't want to keep on poking the bear, taking a chance like that. So real quick, want to give y'all a little glimpse of these are the Air Jordan Concords. They, I forgot what year these came out, but these are the one with the 45. What was that, 2016, I think, or 2018? I think 2018, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot like that. So as you can see, the difference between the Gratitudes and the Air Jordan 11 Concord. So y'all let me know which ones y'all like. Of course, this is worn, not that bad. I mean, still clean, but y'all let me know what y'all think is which one is better. But I mean, this is this is just clean. The Concord shoe just looks so much clean when it's a fresh shoe. And even though this is worn, it still looks clean. Like it's not like this beat the hell or nothing like that. So y'all let me know what y'all think about which one y'all prefer. I do think that if you have the Concords, you really don't need these. That's just my opinion. You really don't need them. I only got the Neapolitans because that ice cream color scheme is going for my outfit. But I mean, again, you don't need all these different basic Concord reimagines, if you want to say, because they all basically the same right there. I didn't even tell you about the in the middle right there. So anyway, 1 to 10, class, what you gonna get us?
A 7.
A 7? You like the shoe?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, 7 is a pretty good grade though. That's a pretty high grade. It's not like it's a 6 or a 5. So you must like it. You said 7.
Yeah.
I mean, like that. I'm gonna give it a 8.5. I mean, I know it's a plain black and white shoe, but it's just a clean. The Concord itself is just a clean shoe. I kind of, if the yellow, if the original of the Concords didn't turn yellow at the bottom, as you can see, it's already starting to get darkened right there a little bit, but it's not bad. I would probably want the original one with the 23 in the back because it's such a clean shoe. Like, it just goes with everything. A lot of kids is wearing the graduation with the cap and gown. It's just a clean shoe. I like that. And it's easy to match it. I think the gold finish on it just gave it a nice little touch like that. At first, I was worried about the milky bottom, but the milky bottom actually looks good. Like, is it either have a milky bottom or a translucent bottom? But I mean, I don't really have a problem with this. Like, it fits. It fits. I like it. So I'm gonna give it an 8.5. Not only is it a classic shoe, but it's simple. It's simple. You can wear it. It's simple but elegant. You can wear it with anything. I like this shoe. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you was able to hit on the shock drop or if you're gonna go for the initial drop, December the 9th. If you think it's a cop or drop. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my Bandgram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, you your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.